Congratulations on purchasing your Devialet Expert Pro integrated amplifier from Audio Advice. Now, we're big fans of Devialet, and if you have the Expert Pro integrated amp, we'll show you how to set that up, but most importantly, we'll go over some of the cool things you can do with the companion configuration software, and we hope these quick tips and tricks will help you get up and running fast and help you fine-tune your sound once you have everything working. Now, let's get started. The first thing to consider before even setting anything up physically is to remember you will need to configure your Expert Pro using a web browser. You'll also need to be able to load configuration files onto an SD card you will find in the back of your unit. If your computer does not have an SD card reader, you'll need to obtain one. There are several inexpensive ones on the market that convert a USB port to an SD card reader. While this could seem like a bit of a pain for some people, the Expert Pro is so flexible, being able to do everything setup-wise from a computer really does speed up the process. You'll need to register your Expert Pro on Devialet's website as a user first. We put a link to that in the description. Next, you'll want to click on your account and go straight to where it says Expert Configuration. On this screen, choose New Configuration and follow the on-screen prompts that pop up. You will then be presented with the visual of the rear panel. Keep clicking Next until you see the option that reads Go to Advanced Configurator. Just make sure on the far right side of the model number matches your unit. If it does not, change it in the drop-down menu. We recommend you set up your Expert Pro for wireless instead of wired, especially if you have a good Wi-Fi network. We found music streaming to be slightly better if done wirelessly. With everything you do from here, there's a little trick to getting the options to show up. First, you have to click the connector that you see on the rear panel view, then the arrow right under the name of the connector will change to orange. This allows you to open the window for setting up that connector. Click on the Wi-Fi icon on the left back side and the arrow will turn orange. Then click the arrow and enter in your network credentials. Be sure and click OK before you close the window, and then click OK on all of the adjustments below, or else your changes will not be saved. The next thing you'll notice is as you go through these settings, when you click on one, a little window pops up on the right, which gives you detailed information about that particular setting. Next, you'll want to think about the other connections you will make for each of your sources. Your Expert Pro is very flexible here and allows the rear inputs to be either analog or digital. If you're using a turntable, click the Phono input and you will see a host of options for different Phono cartridges. If you see yours displayed in the list, just select it and everything will be all set. If it is not shown, find the suggested settings from your Phono cartridge model and set them in the boxes you see. You will even see the ability to change the RIAA load for very old records. We recommend you just leave it on the default of RIAA 1976, since most records are that way, and you can change it later using the remote. Next, assign any of the other connections to match your sources, be it a CD player with analog outputs or a CD transport with a digital out. As you go through, you will see this amp is just super flexible. If you do plan to use a powered subwoofer with your Devialet Expert Pro, you will need one or two outputs for a pair of subs that are labeled pre-out. You'll want to keep this in mind when arranging your inputs. If the speaker connections are not orange, click on each channel to make it orange. Confirm the slider is in stereo. Then when you click, you will see a lot of options. Most of these come into play if you're using two Expert Pros linked together to bi-amp a pair of speakers and bypass their crossovers. We suggest you leave the speakers set to full range unless you are using a sub. For subwoofer users, select high pass, then set the frequency you want to roll off your main speakers at. In most cases, this will be 80 Hz. We suggest you set the filter order to 4, which is 24 dB per octave. Doing that will integrate the two subwoofers the best. Also, be sure to select pre-out on. If your subwoofer has any type of room correction built in, and many do these days, that circuitry will add a delay to the sound. This means you'll need to delay your main speakers so your sound arrives at your ears at the same time as the subwoofer. If your sub is not on the same left to right plane as your mains, and this applies to all subwoofers, you will want to add 1 millisecond of delay for each foot it's behind your main speakers. Now the catch is just below the filter you see a delay line. Devialet displays the delay in microseconds, which is 1/1000th of a millisecond. Take the number of milliseconds and add 3 zeros to get the number. The expert gives you a maximum of 20 milliseconds or 20,000 microseconds. Next, go to the pre-out connections. If you are using a single subwoofer, select mono, low pass, and set the frequency to the same number you used above, and set the filter order to 4. We prefer mono for 2 subs as well, but if you want to experiment, you could select each channel as left and right. Do not add any delay for the subwoofer outs. Make sure pre-out is set to variable. For more tips on fine-tuning your subwoofer, see our article. Now click on the box with the arrow next to the left of the SAM logo. This will bring up a list of over 900 speakers. Hopefully your speakers are on this list, or a very similar model is. Choose the correct one. In the box to the left of your speaker is a place to give your Devialet Expert Pro a name. Just type that in. Next, click on General Settings all the way to the left. Here you can adjust the volume, the power saving settings, the display's brightness, and even the frequency the tone controls cover, which is super cool. Finally, click on Remote Settings and you'll see how to change what each button on the remote gives you quick access to. We're finally at the end. Click the download button and you will jump to a new screen. The text on this screen will say right-click to save target as. But on most computers, the right-click option you want is save image as. It should save all the settings you just created as a .txt file. On your computer, drag that TXT file onto an SD card and then insert it into the SD card reader on the back of your Devialet Expert Pro before making all the physical connections. If you are the type of person who likes to play around with things, you'll find you can do a lot of neat stuff with the remote control. You'll need to be able to see the top of your Devialet, but you can adjust how much of the SAM processing is applied, change Phono RIAA, adjust the tone controls, and a lot more, all from the remote using the front panel as the visual display. As you can see, the Devialet Expert Pro offers a ton of flexibility through the software, configurator tool, and the physical connections. Plus, it just looks great. We hope this quick setup guide walked you through everything you need to know to be making great sound with your Devialet Expert Pro integrated amp and your system. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our team at audioadvice.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this audio advice tips and tricks video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. We come out with new videos just like this one on a weekly basis, so hit that notification bell so you'll never miss the latest home audio or home theater content. And we'll see you next time.